One of the largest challenges of sharing design and engineering work across different offices is moving the high volume of documents around. Barge Waggoner and the shape of Barge Waggoner is ideally suited to our ProjectWise technology. They have 12 offices, they have over 400 people, and they share projects across 3 states in North America.
Years ago, as we tried to share work and projects across the firm, we would have to relocate people. When we move somebody to an office to work on a project, they may not be 100% utilized. That was a cost and inefficiency for us.
Information available real time is so important. 2 years ago, we had 2 or 3 versions of the same information.
So when they implemented ProjectWise, they were implementing a solution to connect those people with information, project information, across those offices in their organization to share work. The partnership of ProjectWise and SharePoint is quite natural. SharePoint has almost 100 million users worldwide, and today 42 of the 50 leaders in the ENR top 500 design firms use ProjectWise to connect their people and information across their project teams.
Project site is a location in SharePoint where we can store all the information regardless if it's in ProjectWise, if it's on one of our other systems, or if it's stored in another network location. We could bring all that information together so that anybody who is going to be assigned to that project can go to that location and get all the relevant information on that project.
It's a central point for us to communicate with the entire company on what information we have available. Because it's tied in with ProjectWise, when we make an update, it automatically goes out to the whole company.
The quality of our projects has really been enhanced through the ProjectWise and the SharePoint portals because we can disseminate information so quickly, and the fact that we're tying everybody together through one standard. Since we have been putting more emphasis on the technology and the efficiency of our production systems, we've actually been able to reduce the employee count down to around 400, but yet we've not had a drop in the revenue stream. To us, that's real direct results.
The business value of any integrated collaboration system is enormous. We've conducted a number of ROI studies looking at how organizations like Barge Waggoner have benefited by implementing collaboration systems across their organization. Every single engineer in an organization can save up to 15% of their annual cost. That's a substantial gain. To sum up the value of the SharePoint and ProjectWise integrated solution, it helps firms meet their project deadlines, it helps them improve the quality of the project, and it helps them reduce the amount of rework necessary when sharing work across distributed teams. We go to market together to provide better, more usable solutions for the infrastructure world. We're able to provide the expertise specific to design and construction and engineering, where Microsoft provides the enterprise-wide capabilities through platforms like SharePoint, Windows Server, and SQL Server.
Well, we're teamed pretty closely with Microsoft. We have an EA with them and have had for several years. We've been dealing with Bentley for a long time, and we get that same relationship with them.
We think they're good strategic partners, particularly Bentley with their unique focus on our industry. They see it from the technology side, we see it from the production efficiency side, and I think it's been a good marriage in how they listen to their customer base. Same thing with Microsoft. I think their emphasis on collaboration, how they have structured their Office suite of projects to make it easy to collaborate in large groups and dispersed groups, it's the right direction and the direction we know we've got to head to remain competitive.